Hi, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll guide you through a gentle wake-up yoga you can do to power up your mornings. This will help you set an intention for the day as you get some gentle movement to wake your mind and body up. Save this to your morning rituals playlist, and if you're watching this again while starting up your morning, head straight to the timestamp here to begin the practice. If we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Jamie Tan at Enlightened Spoon. On this channel, you'll get yoga and meditation videos just like today's, and other times you'll get nutrition, fitness, and lifestyle tips to help bring some calm into your busy life. All tools to help you stress less, yet accomplish more. So hit that like button and consider subscribing if you want more like this. You might like to watch this previous video on some of the easy morning rituals you can do right after today's wake-up stretch yoga that can continue to give you an energy boost this morning, keeping you in high vibes to win your day. I've also got this chair yoga you can do to get more movement going on or between Zoom calls, especially if it's going to be a busy day. So save both these videos to your yoga playlist for when you need them. With that being said, let's start today's practice. Good morning, and welcome to this beautiful day. As you lay here in bed, very slowly, gently, waking up the mind and waking up the body, simply take a few moments as you're laying in bed with your eyes closed and just start to tune into how am I feeling today? How does my body feel? Is it heavy or is it feeling light? Am I feeling tired or am I feeling energized? No need to change wherever you're at, simply just tuning into the sensations within the body. And then tuning into how is my mind feeling today? Perhaps it's feeling pretty light and clear, or perhaps you might notice a few passing thoughts, some anxious, stressful thoughts about the day ahead. There's no need to change wherever you're at, simply observing this very present moment, what is here for you in both body and mind. Now, as you start to tune into this quiet space inside of you, as you very gently start your morning, coming into setting an intention for today. Very slowly, as you're laying here with the eyes closed, tuning into that heart space within the rib cage, perhaps inhaling deeply into the rib cage and feeling the expansion of the rib cage in all directions. And as you exhale, feel the releasing. A few more times, big, deep inhale through the rib cage and exhale. And then tuning into the intention you'd like to set for today. Perhaps it's very simply grounding into this present moment. Whatever this day might bring for me, I am grounded and rooted, and from this place of groundedness, I open up into spaciousness. Simply bringing that feeling of openness and spaciousness all the way through the body and feeling that all the way into the fingertips, into the toes, and beyond the skin boundary. Beautiful. Nice, big, deep inhale through the belly. Exhale. One more time. Inhale through the belly. Nice, big, deep breath. Exhale. Beautiful. From this quiet space of openness and spaciousness and groundedness, as you lay here in the bed, in your next inhale, rising the arms overhead and give yourself a nice big stretch. Perhaps point the toes And then stretch the fingertips in the opposite direction. Stretch, 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 stretch. Beautiful. Exhale. One more time. Inhale, stretching through the fingertips, stretching through the toes. Expanding the belly as you inhale deeply, and then exhale. Beautiful. Inhale deeply here, and on the next exhale, very slowly, gently pulling the fingertips over to the left side of the bed, and feeling that stretch through the right side torso. Very slowly, gently, because you're only just waking up right now. No need to strive too hard. You're just feeling into the body, feeling into the tight spots as you start to very gently get some movement through the body. Inhale back to center. And then as you exhale, reaching over to the right side of the bed, stretching out the left side torso. Big, deep inhale into any of the tight spots. And then exhale, release. Beautiful. Big, deep inhale back to center. On the next exhale, draw the knees into the chest, interlacing the hands over the knees. As you exhale, draw the chin into the chest. Give yourself a nice big squeeze. Now think of pulling the shoulder blades away from each other as you round the spine. Ooh, that feels good, doesn't it? Very slowly, gently releasing. And then rolling over onto the side and swinging the legs over the edge of the bed. Feet come to touching the floor. Inhale here, looking up to the sky, interlacing the hands. Palms up to the sky. And as you exhale, reaching over to the left side, palms facing up to the sky. Once again, going into a slightly deeper side torso stretch on the right side. That should feel pretty good. Drawing the right shoulder down. Inhale back to center. As you exhale over to the right side, feeling that nice torso stretch on the left. Big deep breath in. Big deep breath out. Inhale back to center. Hands come down. Now on the next exhale, tuck the chin into the chest and then think of rolling and curling the spine down, all the way down, rolling all the way down. And then if you can, torso reaching the tops of your thighs and then allowing the head to hang, allowing the arms to hang, and just as you're dangling here, shaking the head no, shaking the head yes. Few deep breaths here. If you're really, really tight in the hamstrings or the back and you can't get lower, it's fine. Simply just placing the hands on your lap, allowing the head to hang. And as you're here, feel the spine lengthening. As you're reaching, allowing the head to hang low, allowing the hands and the arms to dangle, and just breathing into the back body and just feeling the expansion in the spine, allowing each vertebra to have space. So as you inhale, inhale deeply into it. As you exhale, releasing. Now, reaching the arms around your legs or around the knees. On the next inhale, deeply into the belly. As you exhale, pull the shoulder blades from each other and round the spine. So really think of rounding the back and rounding and pulling the shoulder blades away from each other. A few deep breaths. Inhale, reach and lengthen, and as you exhale, round the shoulder blades, round the back, pull the shoulder blades away from each other. Inhale, reach and extend the spine, and exhale, pull the shoulder blades away. And then releasing very slowly, head is heavy, the very last thing to roll all the way up back to center. Taking a few moments, grounding, rooting through all four corners of the feet, and simply feeling into how does my body feel at this very present moment. How does my mind feel at this very present moment? Now very slowly, standing up, inhaling here. As you exhale, tuck the chin into the chest once again, and then think of rolling yourself vertebra by vertebra all the way down. Head and hands are heavy. If I look at you from the side, Maybe you want to place your hands on your shins just below the knees. Maybe you want to bend the knees, get the chest on top of your thighs, and then just simply hang. On the next inhale, once again, rolling your way slowly back up, all the way to standing. And as you exhale, once again, chin into the chest, rolling all the way back down. Now bend the knees as much as you need to, hands come onto the floor, and then come onto all fours. Now from here, cat-cow, inhale, looking up to the sky, belly reaching down to the ground, and exhale, round the spine, curling, drawing the belly into the spine. Inhale, arching the back, dropping the belly, looking up to the sky. Very slowly exhaling once again, rounding and arching the spine. And inhale, just getting very gentle movements into the spine. Nothing too heavy, nothing too intense. Super early. You're just getting very gentle bits of movement, moving through the body, waking yourself up. Inhale back to neutral. Now coming all the way flat onto the belly, onto the floor. Maybe placing your hands on the floor, forehead on the hands. As you exhale, drawing the right foot in to kiss the bum as much as you can and point that right foot. So really think of stretching out and getting some energy, movement, engaging the entire right foot all the way down to the right leg. And then left side, pointing the left foot, drawing the left heel as close to the left glute as much as you can. Pointing, 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 pulling the heel down towards the left bum as much as you can and really waking up that left lower body. And then let's alternate sides. So right side, left side. Very slowly, keep pointing each foot and drawing the heel as close towards the bum as much as you can. And work with the breath. As you inhale, continue to inhale deeply into the belly, feeling the belly expanding into the floor beneath you, feeling the floor support you and hold you as you ground into this very present moment. As you continue to feel this rooted, grounded openness, slowly waking up the body. One more time, right side, and then left side. Now coming back through to all fours, coming onto the feet, keeping the feet hip width apart, parallel towards each other. Head and hands are heavy, bending the knees, and then very slowly rolling yourself up. Come to standing vertebra by vertebra. Head is heavy, and the very last to reach the top. And at the top of the inhale, just standing here, closing the eyes for a few moments, grounding and rooting through all four corners of the feet and simply checking in with how am I feeling right now. Feeling that grounded, rooted feeling through the feet in one direction, feeling one long line of extension all the way through the crown of your head. Deep breath in through the belly. Deep breath out, feel that release. Feel that openness and expansion as you inhale in all directions. Keeping that openness and expansion as you exhale and ground, rooting down through the soles of your feet. Really embodying the intention that we set at the start of today. Beautiful. Now very slowly open the eyes. Ready to start your day. You might like to go into the kitchen right now, grab a big glass of water before you head into the shower. I feel all tingly and energized right now, and to continue with this energy booster this morning, do check out my video on some of the morning rituals you can incorporate to give you more of an energy boost this morning. Stay tuned for my next few videos in this morning rituals series where I'll give you more yoga from me and fitness trainings in collaboration with a personal trainer to help kickstart your mornings. Thank you for waking up and getting your yoga on with me. I wish you a great start to your morning, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and check out my other videos for more nutrition, fitness, and lifestyle tips on how to flow through your busy life with more grace, ease, and flow, and I'll see you in the next one.